Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix Downloads folder not responding on Windows 10 and 11. So for example, when you click on Downloads folder or any other folder in the File Explorer, it says it's not responding. You should keep on watching this video. So our first step would be to click on search icon at the bottom part of your screen, and we have to search for CMD. Once this pops up, command prompt should be on the search, and click on Run as Administrator right on the right part of this search bar. Click on Yes, and first we're going to enter some commands. And I'm also going to put this in the description box below so you can just copy and paste it into the command prompt. First command would be this one, DISM restore health. Copy that one up, and we are going to paste it in here. Once you have done that, just hit enter so that the computer will be able to fix some bugs that causes the not responding issue. And you just have to wait for it to complete, and once it is completed, you have to restart your computer. Once you have restarted your computer, we have to search for CMD again and click on Run as Administrator. Once you have done that, we are going to copy the second command, which is sfc /scan now, and we're going to paste it in here and hit enter again. And this will scan the whole computer and see some bugs, and it will also help some bug fixes, which can help resolve our problem. And this might take 5 to 7 minutes, so you just have to wait for it to resolve your issue on having the Downloads folder not responding on your Windows 10 or 11. After the scan has been completed, you also have to restart your computer again. And once you have restarted your computer, try opening your File Explorer and see that the problem is now gone. And that is how you can basically fix Downloads folder not responding on Windows 10 or 11. Thanks for watching. If you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.